Tenggol Semgat Sagatpa Nupilop staged sit-in protest at a local community hall in Imphal East to demand immediate release of the 3 Arambai Tenggol members arrested by National Investigation Agency NIA. Speaking at the protest, executive members Yumnam Prem Bala and Mutum Tombi condemned the government's dual standards in handling the ongoing crisis. They claim that while injured Kuki militants receive state medical care under security cover, local youths who defended villages are being unfairly targeted and arrested. The leaders stated that community members surrendered their weapons following official assurances from the governor that no punitive action or arrest will follow, warning the state government against policies that marginalize the Meitei community. The women's group threatened to launch intense, widespread agitations across multiple locations if the detained individuals are not freed immediately.
Hainagi Bamatungina, Inegribe agreements in Dugi, Onataina, but the Loinabata governor, Sulenga Sibu Nakmangamdre, Aduga, Manipur, Sibu Kandabaya, they had Tawai Kuba Hapton a talk labor, Isasing a Sibu, Makoina Pazalaga, the Wiriba Sina Carino, Jimmy Sena Carina lady, Bagaba Lebaxida, Manipur Sita Carino, having that a Wiriba Pumna Maxinga say, Kanga Kangana, Dabasare, Isasing Tumbangai Libra, Loinabak Sigro Hybra, Adubu Lengakis Hassan say, Prazana, Peter Nakmanimaki Lengak Mama Tanda Paloboyaro, Prazalate and a Manipur Matanda. Oibayaroy, Magis Hasanta Wayaroy, Quigi Angang Ahum Party Basek, Isasing do the Karigumba, Amata Dandi, Egg and Tapandana, Yamjam Natadopiro, Aduga, Sum Tausadaba, Karigumbam Tawak Targati, Manipura, Mai Chuba in a Tokani.